Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, from each deck, and I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys, for your daily guidance. So that card will relate to whatever questions you have regarding your situation, guys. So these are for your daily energies, and we'll be picking two cards from the wisdom deck, one card for your career situation, guys, and one card for your relationship, Aquarius, and one card from the angel deck. So we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading. So for your daily energies, Aquarius, King of Swords, Knight of Pentacles in reverse, and Page of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, Aquarius, for your general energies, guys, you are a person of great strength, guys. Whatever work you do or in your personal life, people look up to you for that deep knowledge what you have about any situation and about any decision. So they come to you for guidance in your in their situations. They ask your suggestions. That is what I see here, and you are always ready to step into action. So you are just waiting, and you are a person who is ready to help others. So you are always there. Maybe this may relate to your work situation or your personal life. You are a person people can trust and they can rely on, guys. That is also the energy, and you have that strong conviction and determination in whatever you do, in whatever work you take up. You do it, see to it that you do it in a proper way, guys. So that is also what I see here. And today some important announcements are coming your way, guys. Maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, some important message or news is coming. That may not be very good news. That is what I see here, guys. Something which may cause a stress, and I also see here that maybe for some of you, though you have all that qualities, though you have that ability, skill, and the strength, the way of doing work in perfection, whatever it is, maybe some of you all are finding certain difficulties in your work situation, guys. Maybe some of you all are even out of job, or in your business ventures you may be seeing some bad situations today, guys. That is what I see here. And some announcements, maybe this may relate to your work situation or your career situation, guys. So let us see what are these cards. So first, for our career situation, guys, what is the oracle guidance? We will open the card now. These cards must be read straight, guys, so they should not be read in reverse. With this card, guys, the energy is that in your work situation you are facing some decisions, guys, something, and you are you have to own up to the choices, whatever decisions that you are making. Each and every choice has a consequence. So right now you are at that point of making an important decision in your career, whether you want to go left or whether you want to go right, whether you want to further your dreams by going left, or you want to take up that choice which was taken up by many people before you. So what will you do? So this is your choice, your this is the choice of your life. Whatever you need to do, you have to think clearly. Whatever path you choose, you will get meaningful experiences in that. So you don't have to fear that, you have to own up to your choice, whatever that is. So that is what the oracle's guidance is. So before making the choice, whatever you need to do, you need to think deeply. If you have this career choice, what is the dream you have? What do you want to become? And why do you want to reach that prosperity in life? And what is the need for that? Why you want to do it? And you should know the motives. So when you do that, you will clearly know what is your choice. So it will bring clarity. When you are able to answer that questions, you will clearly know your situation and you will be able to make the right choice. So you have to take that responsibility today of making the choice. You don't have to ask others to make that choice for you. You have to take that responsibility and you must be accountable for whatever choices you make. You have to have that courage to take heart in today to make that choice. That is the oracle's guidance for you guys with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Soulmates, a very good card here, guys. So whenever we get this card, it just means that we share a deep bond with this person. So sometimes in life we meet certain people, we are drawn to them instantly, but sometimes we repel some people, but later we come to an understanding and we share that great attraction to each other. We become the right opposite. So sometimes we need to understand that these people are our soulmates, and that is the reason we feel this attraction or great aversion towards them in the beginning, guys. So regardless of however long these relationships last, the thing that is important is how this relationship goes. So sometimes this relationship overwhelms us. We feel so much love, compassion and caring in that relationship. Sometimes it breaks us down. We feel so badly hurt. So when both these extremes happen, it breaks down all our barriers, whatever we have in ourselves, and it brings out the truth what we are. So when that happens, we are automatically we learn so much from that particular situation, and it helps us to learn about ourselves. So when these people are there with us, we need to understand them as gifts, because they are there only to help us in our personal growth, in our evolution, guys, as human beings. So these are the perfect people with whom we are. We have that great, we share that great companionship, friendship, and the reason is just to push us towards that greater personal growth. That is the only reason such people are there in our life. So with this card for our guidance message, guys, the angel guidance. So this card will relate to the questions you have, regardless of your situation, whatever it is. The angel's guidance, Aquarius. Seek within. So with this card, guys, the energy for your situation is you have to know the truth, guys, the truth as it is. So all our troubles, our struggles are all due to our mind, how we respond to certain situations. our conditioning and our upbringing, our past experiences. So, in order to know the truth in any situation, we should dive deep within ourselves and see the situation without the past, without our conditioning clouding our vision. So, when we are able to do that, we will see the situation as it is in true light, and when we do that, we will get clarity in any situation, guys. So that is the angel's guidance. So most of our troubles and stressful situations are because of our mind. We expect things to go in a particular way, and we fear when things go in a particular way based on our past conditioning. So when we give all that up, when we have a different perception, we see the truth. So that is the angel's guidance for you all, guys, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.